Okay, well, hey guys, since that sniper video was a complete fail... Whoa, I didn't even mean to start it. Oh well, I'm gonna use this strategy. You see, if you use the road spikes first, it's only 50, and you make 100 from the end of the round. So you don't have to buy anything expensive, and it works for like the first 3 rounds. And you still make profit, so that's what I do, sometimes. So, I'm just gonna, I don't know, what should I do? I'll do dart monkeys. I'll see how far I can get with just dart monkeys. I'm gonna put this little guy right here. You have fun up there, bud. Meh. Nope, get her, let him pass. Dude. Okay, let's see how good I do with only dart monkeys. Yeah, well, these videos will be about 10-minute intervals because I can't make any longer than 10 minutes for some reason. So yeah, kinda sucks. But this video might have multiple parts. I don't know. It depends how far I get. If I noob it up, then it won't have multiple parts. Kinda like the sniper one. That one just failed. Shut up. Not you. This dude that I'm talking to, as you know, is ham and cheese. I know. Yay! Monkey spray! William, don't say anything. Oh. Your brother's spamming me. He's not. I don't know. He's not doing a very good job though. He only did it like 3 times. I got him back a lot better. It was pretty easy. Pew.
Egyptians.
What?
Nothing. I'm just playing a very violent video game that has Egyptians.
I see. Well, that's interesting. Okay. Ooh, rank 48. I thought it was still rank 47. Oh well, whatever. Don't care. I still have everything unlocked, so I don't really need to be higher rank, but whatever. Oh wait, no, I don't have everything unlocked. I need to get to like rank 60 till I have everything unlocked, like the tracks and stuff, but I don't really care. Yeah. It's just tracks, right?
You do care.
Yellow balloons.
See, Bill Cosby and Stewie in the same room equals a lot of fun.
Okay then. I don't know, I haven't had to buy any dart monkeys for a while. It's getting pretty easy. That's a pretty awesome location though. I gotta give it to myself. Pretty awesome location. Triple dart for the win. Hey, I got 1,000 money. Huh, that's fancy. I know I say money, it's because I can, and I want to. I don't care. Okay, whatever. Don't like it, get out. These triple darts are boss. Why is that so funny? How'd that go again?
I am Stuart Little, and I am from the planet of your face.
Okay, it's not as funny that time, but okay. Anyways.
I said it in like a funnier voice. That's why it was funny.
Well, probably because I've never heard it before either. So.
It just like popped into my head. I had to say it.
Well, this is going a lot better than the sniper monkeys, I gotta say. These dart monkeys are pretty boss. Especially considering that they can turn into super monkeys, that's pretty boss also. What else can they do? Oh, I forgot. I guess I'll find out next one I make. Might as well keep up the pace and keep on making them.
And I have seen someone 2 times the size of me. His name is Peter Griffin.
That's stupid. Not quite as funny that time. Oh man, I just thought of something. How am I gonna pop lead balloons? Wait, can you pop? Does the juggernaut work popping lead balloons? I don't know. Huh. I don't know. How am I gonna pop the lead balloons with only dart monkeys? Yay, yay, the juggernaut can pop lead balloons. Hallelujah. 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 Oh, yeah. I want this guy aiming at strong ones. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. What? Oh man, it's not a juggernaut yet. Oh god, I forget. Let's see. How many lives are this gonna take away? Oh god, please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Oh good.
Tell me if this is funny. 3 kids are sitting in the principal's office. One says, I set the sh word up. And then another person says, I said the F word. And then the other person says, I said Christmas.
What?
One person said the sh word, and the other person said the F word. And another person said, I said Christmas.
Oh, I get it.
Another principal's office.
I get it.
Oh my god. I'm like, best.
Wait, how many minutes has this been running? Oh good. Thank God. That would have been just a huge waste of my time. That would have really sucked. What do I mean a waste of my time? I don't got a life. How silly of me. Excels at crushing ceramic balloons. I like the sound of that. Okay, I feel good now.
16 is $1.29. $10.32 per gallon.
Why are you looking at Diet Snapple, William? I mean, really. Is that Pepto-Bismol? What? What are you watching? I'm sure it's something stupid on YouTube. But keep in mind, my videos on YouTube are not stupid, just they make you smarter, actually. What? Parking space? Okay, whatever.
The minister parked his car in no parking zone.
Ooh, almost done.
Because he was short of time and couldn't find a space with the meter. Then he put a note under the windshield wiper that read,
I'm gonna have to watch these videos after to see if they could hear you.
10 times if I don't park here, I'll miss my appointment. Forgive us trespass. When he returned, he found a situation
saving up money for the win and then spending it all at once for the win.